Hi friends, welcome back. Okay, so I'm doing the review on the Schneider Industries micro vacuum attachment. I have a shark vacuum. I have an attachment. It doesn't fit. Like it says, it didn't fit, and it doesn't. So what I'm going to show you is how to make it fit, basically. So I had an idea. It came in this box. I'm simply going to cut some of this box out and hopefully get that to fit. So I'm going to take off approximately 3 inches of the box. So basically where the tape is about almost, I'd say almost halfway, a little bit less than half. I'm simply going to cut this. All right. Be careful with scissors, my friends. All right, let's cut this other part here. So it's really close to fitting, but it just doesn't. So, being that I have a shark vacuum, let's see here. I'm basically going to just kind of roll this around there, and it needs to be rather snug, so that's kind of what I'm going to do, something like that, and then I'll see how this one fits. So that one's kind of loose, so it needs to taper on one end, like this end here needs to taper down a little bit, unless this little attachment part will go in there, which that one's kind of thicker, so one way or the other, that would be right about perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to do, grab some tape here, get myself some tape. There we go. I'm going to tape that part off right there. Get it secured, basically. Nice and snug. I'm not taping it on there, I'm just getting the dimensions. Alright, that basically gives us a toilet paper look and roll part here. I'm going to tape that, the main seam, and then I'm going to put a nice long strip of tape basically around both sides, so tape's kind of give it a little extra strength here. Right, so I'm basically doing a double layer here around. Then I'm going to break that off. And that just helps it so the cardboard won't expand. It's pretty thin cardboard here. I'm going to do the same with the other edge. We'll make it work here. And it came with the box like that, so it's not like we're really doing any extra stuff here. Alright, so that's wrapped on there as well. And it should be fairly secure. Okay, so this is the end that it's this part here. It's gonna hopefully just kind of fit into there. And that is nice and snug. I ain't going anywhere. And the shark vacuum part goes on there like that. Okay, so it doesn't fit when you buy it, but you can make it fit. So I'm going to do a little demonstration on the other parts now that we have it actually working. And we'll be back, show you how that's going.